Finding the best pan for French toast can feel tricky when you just want that golden, even crisp. The best pan for French toast is usually a non-stick or cast iron skillet that heats evenly and gives you that soft inside with a lightly crisp edge. I've tested a few on busy mornings, and the right pan really does make cooking easier and more consistent. With years of hands-on kitchen use and learning what works in real homes, I can help you avoid common mistakes. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Carrot Classic Granite Fry Pan. The Carrot Classic Granite Fry Pan feels light, smooth, and easy to handle right out of the box. The Carrot Classic Granite Fry Pan is a good pick when you want the best pan to make French toast with simple, even browning. I noticed it heats quickly, which helps when you are rushing breakfast. The surface is very smooth, so bread slides without sticking most of the time. One feature I liked is the granite non-stick coat. Another feature that stood out is the induction-ready base, so it works on most modern US stoves without issues. The small 8-inch size makes it perfect for single servings or quick snacks. One downside is that the smaller cooking area limits how much you can cook at once, especially for family breakfasts. Still, it is easy to clean, beginner-friendly, and reliable for daily simple meals.
Number 4. ABOOFAN Non-Stick Breakfast Pan. The ABOOFAN Non-Stick Breakfast Pan feels like a simple tool for quick morning cooking. The design is basic, but it helps you cook on both sides without flipping food manually. One feature that stands out is the double-sided cook design, which locks food in place and cooks it evenly. It also heats quickly since the iron body transfers heat fast. Another feature I noticed is the compact breakfast size, which makes it easy to store and use in small kitchens. It is a budget-friendly option for quick breakfast prep and light everyday use.
Number 3. Innerwell Stainless Steel Crepe Pan 11-inch. The Innerwell Stainless Steel Crepe Pan 11-inch feels strong and steady when you first pick it up. The Innerwell Stainless Steel Crepe Pan 11-inch works well for everyday cooking, especially if you want a smooth surface for breakfast meals and a pan to make French toast results. I liked how evenly it spreads heat, so slices cook without dark spots. One feature I liked is the honeycomb steel base. Another feature I noticed is the tri-ply steel body, which keeps heat stable and makes cooking more consistent. The handle feels solid and stays cool enough for safe flipping, which is nice during busy mornings. One small downside is that it takes a little longer to heat compared to lighter pans, so you need a bit of patience. Still, it feels durable, safe, and reliable for daily breakfast cooking. Number 2. SENSARTE 10-inch Non-Stick Crepe Pan. The SENSARTE 10-inch non-stick crepe pan feels light and smooth when you are making breakfast at home. I found it very easy to use, especially when cooking thin slices for the best pan to make French toast results. One feature I really liked is the Swish granite coat, which keeps food from sticking and needs very little oil. It also heats fast and stays steady, which saves time on busy mornings. Another thing that stood out is the induction-ready base, so it works on almost any stovetop in US kitchens. The handle stays cool, so you can flip with ease and feel safe. Cleanup is quick with just a simple wipe, which I always appreciate. The only downside is the low sides, which can make flipping thicker slices a bit tricky. Still, for simple and quick meals, it feels easy, light, and very reliable to use every day. Number 1. Granitestone Blue 12-inch Non-Stick Pan. The Granitestone Blue 12-inch non-stick pan feels like a solid pick when you want the best pan to cook French toast at home. The wide 12-inch size gives you space to cook more at once, which helps on busy mornings. One thing that stood out is the triple non-stick coat, as food slides right off with almost no effort. It also feels light in hand, so flipping bread is easy even if you're new to cooking. Another feature I noticed is the metal utensil safe, which adds peace of mind during daily use. Cleanup is quick since you can just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. It also works well in the oven for finishing thicker slices. The only downside is that it doesn't support induction cooktops, which may limit some kitchens. Still, for easy, stress-free mornings, it performs reliably and feels comfortable to use. Final verdict. After testing and comparing these pans, I personally recommend the Granitestone Blue 12-inch nonstick pan as the best overall pick. It feels roomy, heats evenly, and makes French toast come out golden without sticking. It's the kind of pan that works well for everyday breakfasts and bigger batches, especially if you want less stress in the kitchen. For a more budget-friendly and lighter option, I recommend the SENSARTE 10-inch nonstick crepe pan. It's easy to handle, heats fast, and great for simple morning meals when you don't need a large surface. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and cooking needs best.